Yo, people YouTube, it's my 95 Toyota Corolla DX 1.8 5-speed. It's pretty insane. Pull it in, let you guys check it out. Still a little cold in Maine. Gotta let the engine warm up before we start revving on it. Try to do this with my laptop. Put a hood scoop. Blank, close the garage door. Yeah, the sunlight.
I am not in this. Do what you gotta do, I'll just hold it.
Alright. Put a hood scoop on it. Painted the hood with rhino liner.
Good.
Put a cold air intake on it. Down in my front bumper. Down in there somewhere is where my intake is. On the inside. It's got 248,000 miles on it. Cut the shifter. Put the shifter thing on it. Shifting on. I got two 10-inch kickers in the back. Nothing crazy. Gotta warm up. Still cold, as you see. The temperature gauge is buried, but should be good. Fuck the truck. I actually just got done having a lady back in me, and I replaced the fender both sides because a deer hit me the other side. And the door is still fucked up. So if you know anybody with the door, send me a message. I got two 10-inch kickers. Probably get my computer all oily. Let her warm up for a little bit and I'll give her a burp. Oh yeah, that got my computer poopy. That's funny. I got oil all over my computer. Yeah, just little spirits, but I haven't really done much to it. Buying headers and projectors. I'm gonna post another video here once I get all that shit. It'll be righteous. Up in Maine, blazing the green shit. Beam me out. See you later.